This compact 475 kilogram skid steer packs surprising power today. With 3 attachments on the RS06-2, we'll show you what small but mighty really means. First up, the sight shaper on the dozer blade. Its 1.2 meter width is a perfect match for the RS06-2, and it doesn't just level the ground. With the hydraulic angling function, you can easily push material to either side and form clean, consistent slopes. This gives you much better control when working in tight spaces. It's perfect for backfilling, grading driveways, shaping edges, or even simple snow removal. A compact but genuinely versatile tool that lets the RS06-2 handle a wide range of surface shaping tasks with ease. Next, it transforms into a true farm artist with the rotary plow. The RS06-2 can instantly break up hard soil and turn it into soft, fine tilt up to 200 millimeters deep, giving you a clean and ready to plant seed bed in just one pass. It only needs 40 liters per minute of flow. Yet the efficiency is incredible, about 20 times faster than manual tilling. This means you can cover larger areas in far less time, even on compact job sites or small farms. Whether you're preparing vegetable plots, orchard rows, or greenhouse beds, the rotary plow turns the RS06-2 into a fast, precise, and highly productive soil prep machine. Finally, let's deal with all the yard waste. The wood chipper is a real monster, and it branches in valuable mulch out. It chews through limbs and trimmings effortlessly, turning what would be a messy cleanup job into a smooth, one-step process. Not only does it eliminate the usual hauling and dumping headaches, it also saves a huge amount on transport costs. And the best part, the output chips can be reused as high-quality garden mulch, perfect for moisture retention, weed control, and landscaping. It's an incredibly efficient way to turn waste into something genuinely useful. See, that's a complete project cycle, from site grading to soil preparation to handling all the waste. If you were doing this manually, you'd need different crews, multiple tools, and several days of work. But with the RS06-2 and this set of attachments, it becomes a 1 or 2 person operation that can be wrapped up in just a day or two. So whether your needs are small earth moving, farm preparation, or professional landscaping, the RS06-2 can become your most versatile partner on site by simply switching attachments. It's not just saving equipment costs, it's saving your most valuable resources, time and labor,